Hey guys, sorry if this fogs up. It is really humid out here. You know, I went over to my mother-in-law's house and helped her with something. As I opened the trunk, I could hear a little rattle, and I was trying to figure it out and see if I can zoom in. Right there. I don't know if it's blurry. But there's supposed to be a screw right there. And on this side, supposed to be a screw there. See? No screw. I wish I could focus on this thing. Yeah, see? No screw. Well, guess what? That's what's rattling. There's one screw right here. And here's the other one. I can't believe that. So, I'm going to try to figure out how to remove this tail light. At least this cover right here, I'm not sure how this comes off. But I got to get this off so I can get that screw out. I can't just bend it. It won't go around it. Can you believe that? So neither screw is holding that assembly in. So if you guys have a 2019, check those. Be careful pulling these things off. Let me show you the way the clips are in here so you can see. So this is gonna go like that, right? I'm gonna drop it. It's nice. But see how this clip like that, and this clip is just a V, so don't like just jam it. So it's gonna kind of slide in like that, and then slide in like that. Not before you get it all the way in, make sure this piece is over it, and then push it all the way up. So yeah, so I don't know why they didn't put these screws in. Instead they just threw them in there, you know. That just kind of pisses me off. I wonder if I can use a magnet. I could get that thing to come loose, and I could just use a magnet and get it to pull, come around here. I think I'm going to try that. Alright, so what I did is I used needle nose. I grabbed that screw, ran it up through here, and this piece here, I was able to slide it and pull it out. So, oh wow. Yeah, everything's cool. So now I can put these truss head screws back in there. I wonder why they didn't put these in. Alright, so I got the screw in there. So what I did is I used hemostats to hold the screw in place, and then I used a wrench to tighten it in there.